Hello dear acorns, how are you? Are you ready for today's class? In today's class, we are going to have a recap of Big Idea of Science 1. Let us see what Big Idea of Science 1 says. Reflection time. Big Idea of Science 1 says, all material in the universe is made of very small particles. What are these very small particles called? Yes, you are right. They are called atoms. But can we see atoms with our eyes? No, we cannot see atoms with our eyes. We need a microscope to see them. What else did we learn? We have learned about natural things. What are natural things? Natural things are those which we get from nature, like sunlight, animals, water and plants. The air we breathe, the water we drink, all those are natural things, right? Man-made things. What are man-made things? The things which are made by men, like watch, houses and chair. These are some examples of man-made things which man made for comfort. Natural resources. What are natural resources? Natural resources are those resources which we get from nature, like river, petroleum, coal, diesel, etc. Right? I hope you remember that these all natural and man-made things are again made up of very small particles, right? They are called as atoms. Raw materials. Do you remember about raw materials? Raw materials are those which we need to get finished product. Like to get this sambar, we need raw material like dal, right? And some vegetables. What did we learn in states of matter? We have learned about 3 states of matter. What are they? Solid, liquids and gases, right? What are solid? They do have a definite shape. What are liquids and what are gases? Liquids and gases, they do not have a definite shape. They will take shape of the container, right? Look here. This is solid, right? This is chocolate. Example of solid. Here is a liquid, milk, which you drink daily. Here is an example of gases. Right? What do you feel in the balloon? Air. Look here. How the particles, atoms are organized in solids. They are tightly packed, right? And in case of liquid, they are loosely packed. And in case of gases, they are freely moving. If we see here, there is no gap between two atoms. But in case of liquids, yes, there is a gap between two atoms. And in case of gases, they are freely moving. Right? And that is why liquids we can pour into the container. And gases we can fill in balloon, hot air balloon, right? And solids, remember they do have a definite shape. And liquids, they will not have a definite shape. And even gases, they also do not have a definite shape. They will take shape of the container, right? Now, get ready for the task. There is a task on page number 15. Look at this picture. There is a task given. In your groups discuss, but as we are at home, you are going to discuss with your parents. What are these things? Solid, liquid and gases. Similarly, how are they different from each other? Discuss with your parents. How are they different from each other? Think about their special qualities. What quality one has but another doesn't have. Right? Discuss with your parents and write in your journal. See you. Happy learning. Bye. See you in the next class.